Ready for the ultimate kitchen showdown? Smash that like and subscribe for more wild challenges. The chef stood tall, knife in hand, but today wasn't going to be easy. A bright orange carrot had a mission: escape the knife and prove it wasn't just a side dish. It leapt off the counter, rolling like it was in the Indy 500. The chef lunged, but the carrot was too fast. This wasn't about speed anymore, it was about strategy. With one final move, the chef sliced that carrot in half like a pro. "Who's the boss now?" he smirked, holding the perfect carrot slice